Mayeni, she is going to leave Mzamseleko. She is going to stay at her parents' house. But I think that now Mayeni, she is too old, guys. She is old to leave her house to start, guys, to start again a new life. I think Mayeni, she is old, guys. We don't want to lie because Mzamseleko says to Mayeni, when she is leaving, she have to leave everything, everything, and the children. And Mayeni says she have to go with Munini because Munini, he is not okay. Munini needs his mother. You understand? Guys, all the children needs their mother's love. Because Mayeni, she have got two kids without Mpumelelo. Because Mpumelelo, he is old. You understand? Guys, Munini and the other girl, those children are too young. And last time, guys, Musamseleko says to Mayeni, Macele, she was complaining, you understand? She was complaining about children, what, you understand? Because Munini and the other girl, they after school, they were going to Macele's house. So Macele, she wants more money to buy food for children. And Msamseleko says to Mayeni, and now Msamseleko says to Mayeni, she have to leave children because they are Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Macele. Like Mangwabe and Makumalo, she can't to take care of another woman's children because those women are too busy. They don't have time to take care of another woman's child. She have to leave Mnini and the other girl to go with Mayeni. You understand? Guys, the children who come back after they are in 18 years old, when they are when he needs his father after 18 years old, they have to come back to his father. You understand? Because guys, now Mayeni, now I saw that Mayeni, she is going to go to court. You understand? To custard, to have a custard for children now, because guys, you can't leave your children, those children are young, guys, to leave them with another woman, you understand? Musamseleko, he wants to Munini and the other girl like Snare. You understand? Live like Snare because now Snare, she doesn't have a mother who take care of her. You understand? Because guys, Munini, he is too young, and Munini, he is not okay without his mother. Munini loves his mother. She have to leave Mayeni to go with children. You understand it? Because guys, that boy, he is too young. He is too young. Because Mzamseleko says to Mayeni, she have to leave children.